Welcome to the Wellness Hub, your space for peace, presence, and natural self-care. Today, we are guiding you through a simple meditation designed for beginners. No experience needed, just a few quiet minutes to reconnect with your breath and calm your mind. Find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or lie down, whatever feels supportive to you. Now, close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin. As you breathe naturally, bring your attention to the rise and fall of your breath. Feel the air entering your nose and leaving gently through your mouth. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just notice it and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale calm, exhale stress, inhale peace, and exhale tension. With each breath, feel your body softening, feel the ground supporting you, and feel yourself arrive in this moment. You're here, you're safe, and you're doing enough. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and gently open your eyes when you're ready. And you just completed a few mindful minutes of meditation. Let this feeling of calm carry you through your day. Come back to this practice whenever you need stillness or clarity. And if this helps you, be sure to subscribe for more guided wellness routines and natural self-care rituals.